Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth and welcome to the Sugar Hero channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cookie dough frosting. This is an easy frosting that tastes just like chocolate chip cookie dough. You can use it on cakes, cupcakes, or even as a filling for layer cakes. Here's how you do it. The first step is to microwave the flour for 1 minute to kill any potentially harmful bacteria. Then let it cool completely. To make the frosting, combine room temperature unsalted butter and brown sugar. Brown sugar is really key to making this frosting taste just like cookie dough. Mix them together on medium speed for a few minutes until the color has lightened and it's a fluffy texture. Briefly scrape the bottom and sides of the bowl to make sure everything's incorporated. Next, we need to add the flour. Because heating and cooling it can leave it lumpy, I like to sift it when I add it to the butter. You can use your hands to push any stubborn clumps through the wire strainer. Then add powdered sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and cream or milk. At this point, I like to stir everything together by hand for a minute, just until the dry ingredients are moistened and they're less likely to fly out of the bowl and cover my whole kitchen. Once you've given everything a good stir, you can go back to the mixer and mix everything on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. The frosting at this point will have a beautifully light and creamy texture. The most important part of chocolate chip cookie dough frosting is the chocolate chips. I recommend using mini chips. Smaller chips make the frosting easier to spread, and they ensure you get some chocolate in every single bite. Once the chips are stirred in, the frosting is ready to use. I think the easiest way to decorate with it is to use an offset spatula or even the back of a spoon to spread it on your cakes or cupcakes and give them some rustic swirls. You can also warm up the spatula in hot water for a few seconds to really smooth it out. Then finish it with a few more chocolate chips on top and you're done. Let's go. So rich and creamy, so good. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more fun dessert recipes.